Yeah. Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay. So give me except for remote control. Okay.
Yeah, please, sir. Go ahead.
Yeah. Now we are into in the today's morning. We are trying to create the vendor masters. So we will go account vendors. Okay. In the vendor masters, we will create one more vendor for example purpose to be by clicking a new button. We will create it. Okay. And as you said, this is JS metals.
That code is automatically generating, or we can create it, sir, codes.
The code will be generated by the system, sir. If you want to create your own codes, if you want to put your own codes with alphanumeric, so you can. Okay. And the parent group will be the, sir, either you can put it here in the vendor, or either you can put the sending creditor also. Okay. And as
Parent
I
group
told you,
means it is
under which group?
sorry?
It is a part of the account, sir. It is part of accounts. Okay.
Account.
Under, yeah, accounts. Okay. Under which group the vendor is there? Under the sundry creditors or under the vendor? Because it will be reflect in your balance sheet, trial balance, and trading account.
Okay.
Okay.
Raw
Now,
material
and
purchase is from raw material purchase.
that will be the group of buyer. This is for credit for materials. Or if you want to edit this or you want to rename this field, so we can do it from the front end level, sir. Okay.
Okay.
And also the terms, condition, payment terms, we can set like 60 days, 30 days. According to the system, will check if there any both the days and limit is both is exceed or one of the exceed. System will give you the reminder while you booking the PO, while you booking the invoice. System give you the reminder, but at the invoicing level, system will block that because the payment has not been done.
Okay.
Then another tab is the other details tab, where the system say if you want to block this vendor for all the transaction, you can block it, sir. Okay. And with the inactive reason on the date also. And what is the default currency for particular this vendor? Because if you are importing some material from out of India, so you can by default set as a USD. So whenever we do any transaction, the system will automatically pick the currency. Okay. By default, system is picking the currency as a INR because our company base currency is the INR. That is the system take default INR value. Okay. Then after the purchase details, we can set here the default discount if the vendor is always giving us a discount every time. And here in the contact details, we can put the contact person name, who is the name of the person. So I said Mr. JS. Okay.
Owner. Proprietor.
Yeah, you can type it here, sir. Okay, what is the designations? What is the address? So can you give me the address of this particular vendor?
What is this department here?
Department, we can say it is for the accounts, it is for purchase, it is for sales, it is for technical. We can create the department master also from the setting level, sir.
What
Because normally what
related
happened?
to which department you mean to say?
Yes, this contact person is from which department? Because in the organization we have the different departments. One in the purchase, one in the sales, one in the technical, one in the honor, one is for payment follow-up. So we can record all the department-wise details here into the system under the one masters.
Okay.
Okay. Give me the address, sir. Sir, give me 1 second. No? Give me 10 minutes only. Sorry, 1 minute. I'm just back. Yeah, sir. Also define, we can define the mail IDs for directly sending the PO number, sir, from the mail. But right now it will not be work because we need to configure the mail ID into your login. Then no, it is not required, sir. It is not required. Now next step will be the statutory details, sir. In the statutory details, what is the GST type? It is regular, unregistered, composite. Okay. If it is regular, so we can put it here the GST number, sir.
Okay.
खुल रही है. Just type yes. Sir, we are providing the direct link to redirect. So either we can copy and paste.
PAN no idea.
Yeah.
అన్ని తీసుకోవాలి సార్ మరి అయితే మరి అంత అనేది తీసుకోవాలా ఫార్మాట్ చేసేసి పంపించేయాలి
If you want to check, so you can copy and the paste
డివిజన్ పంపిస్తారు కదా మనకి
and just put 833 622. No, GST number is entry is not valid.
ఓకే సార్
Is not
Okay,
having
just we are providing. I'm just give me a small information. We just providing the link, sir, to verify the GST number.
okay.
And here in the account details, we can put the vendor bank details for our reference.
Yes, I got it.
And one more tab is there. There is an attachment where we can attach any document related to our like GST number, PAN number, CNI number, certificates. Any PDF document can be uploaded here, sir.
Okay, great.
Okay. So this is the complete vendor masters. Sir, if any queries, sir, please ask, or either we can go for next step.
Yeah, this is okay. Then what is the next step? In this?
Yeah, this is how we can create a vendor master into an ER system. The same way we can create the customer also, but in the customer masters, just save it, sir. Okay. In the customer master, there may be more field related to the customers. So we will go in later stage when we into in a sales modules. Okay.
Where it is customer master?
The customer master is under the same account. Here is the customers. Here is a vendor.
వెండర్స్ కదా సార్ ఇలా కస్టమర్లు కాదు
Okay. And if you want to edit the vendor, view the vendor, you just click that line, particular vendor, and click on this 3 line of buttons, sir.
Okay.
So here is the option. You can edit the vendor, you can view the vendor, and export to Excel to all vendors. So these are the options available into the system.
Okay, great.
Now we go to the purchase and we will create a few items for a purchase order. So we will clicking by new, again new button. So just type it here, sir, the name of the product which we want to book a purchase order for that particular vendor.
Sheet.
And then
Sheet.
project sheet, huh? Size में बनाएगा।
What is the unit of the name? Hello.
अजी हेलो
Unit is kg is that 5 mm 500 width, that is length.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Please.
Yeah. And here is the, see, this is the item name and this is the name of the unit. So what is your purchase unit basically, sir? It is in a kgs only. Okay. Now, here is the item description where we can define the technical specification of this particular item. If it is the 2-3 lines like this, so we can add it here under the item description, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is
How
the item.
many letters will come, sir, in the item description?
In the item description, you can put it here up to, sir, 556 characters.
560 characters.
566 characters. If you want to more,
Yes,
like
sir.
it will be in a 1 page or 2 page, so you can put it here in under the item remarks, sir.
Okay.
It is we can add it and numbers.
Normally, what is your size, sir? Normally, how many characters are there in the description?
Normally, actually, required around 200 to 300 letters, sir.
Yes, sir, you can put it in the description, sir. That will be advisable.
Okay, no issue. If any problem will come, we will reach you.
Yeah, no issues.
Okay. What is the use of the item group is, sir? We can create category. We can create the category of this particular item by clicking on the new button.
Okay, sir.
This plus button. So just type the name of the category.
This is a sheet. So
I have one
probably
question,
you'll have
sir,
it.
here. This is for particularly one customer, or this item is for as per our company norms. Is it right?
Yeah,
Sir,
it is
this
as per your company norm, sir, and this is one-time job. This can be used for all the customers.
SS material.
Primary.
SS plate. SS plate. SS material parent group.
Parent group plate you need to create, sir. First you need to create the parent group.
Sorry.
Right.
Yes, sir. The parent group will be, sir. Is
नहीं उन लोग प्लेट बोल रहे हैं पहले प्लेट बनाना पड़ेगा
okay. No, not this like.
ट्रायल में है ना रहते
हाँ 1 second. Just sir, first we need to 1 second, sir.
एंटरप्राइज आईडी क्या है
एंटरप्राइज आईडी AFF मैं बना देता हूँ, चाहिए 2 मिनट लगेगा, यहाँ पे बना देते हैं,
ठीक है
यहाँ पे बना देते हैं. So go to the setting first. Then we go to the नहीं उनको
ये plate बनाना पड़ेगा. You are right. You go to settings.
no plate sir first you put it here plates or row. What is the first level, sir?
Sorry?
Hello. What is your first category? It is raw material or it is plates?
Raw material. Raw material. Raw material.
Raw material. So we will first create the raw material and we will put it here as a primary good. Okay. Under the raw material, you have a sheets, correct?
Plate. They have plate. Under plate, they have sheets. Correct, sir? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
This will go under
Raw material.
raw material. Okay.
Then they have
Now
sheets
sheets. SS
under
sheets,
plate.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Under the sheets, plates.
Under plates.
Okay. Now, sir, just type the name here again.
कंट्रोल आपके पास है?
हाँ जी सर.
तो सेटिंग्स में वो हायरार्की भी दिखा सकता है फोल्डर में एक्सपेंड कर.
Yes, sir.
Description.
kgs.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, done, sir, done.
Okay. Now we go to the advanced configuration. We select the purchase as a purchase account because when we purchase this material, it is goes to the purchase account. When in future, maybe if we sell this material, so it is goes to the sales account, sir. Okay. Here are the some control this system is showing. Are we allowed to negative balance? This is the batch required product, or this is maintain serial by serial products. Some of the options we have given into the system, sir. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe this is not a batch requirement, correct? Or not allowed the negative stock also. And also the system here show the HSN code. It is the separate master, so we need to create by clicking on settings button and go to the inventory and click on the HSN code, sir. So first we need to create the HSN code masters. So we by clicking on new button, just type here the HSN code of this particular item, sir.
Okay.
Dear Rohit ji,
Yes, sir.
what we will do, first we will create vendors list, we will close it, that one.
Yeah, that's what I thought. आपको
Then
Excel दे देते
we
ना?
will come to know HSN code and all the things, then we will proceed this with him, purchase person, now who are typing and all the things. You will came to know that vendors list and all the things, what are all the required is there. Then tomorrow what we will do once it is finished, simultaneously we will start stores also.
Okay, sir. No problem.
आप
तो-
Excel दे
तो-
दीजिए अभी दे दीजिए.
सर मैंने
I will
actually
ask
Excel दिया
him
था.
to close that vendors list first.
अभी दे दो ना खत्म कर.
हाँ, लेकिन मैंने दिया था तो सर बोले कि वो मैन्युअली डालेंगे क्योंकि परचेस वाले पर्सन। ठीक है, तो सर आई थिंक योर परचेस गाय हैज मतलब लाइक दैट डिपार्टमेंट हैज केम टू नो हाउ वी कैन फिल अप द वेंडर मास्टर, करेक्ट?
Yes, yes,
They have
that's why
cleared
I
it.
will ask him to fill all, complete the vendors list first.
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll show you,
no,
sir, in Excel sheet how
Then we
to
will
fill
go
it
ahead
up.
with this guy next.
Yeah, yeah, no issues. We'll first fill up the vendors list, as you said. We'll show you how to do it. Just can you open that Excel sheet which Rohit had sent it to you?
Sorry?
Can you open the Excel sheet which was sent to you?
Okay.
that import sheet, sir, which I am sharing on email.
స్వామి గారు స్వామి గారు దీనేనండి
Sir,
పేమెంట్
your person is going to do manually or through the Excel we need to import?
Charlie Dona,
Manually you will do it. sir.
అయిపోయిందండి బ్యాంక్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి సార్.
Okay, just open the Excel sheet. Last one.
మధ్యాహ్నం చెక్ చేసి ఫోన్ చేయండి సార్. చెక్ చేసి
Just ask him to put all the names of the vendor here, sir, in the column B.
In the left side, in the left side,
Column B.
column B. Yes, sir.
Column B, yeah. Ask him to put all the names of the vendors here, okay?
Parent group means how we will differentiate, sir? Yes,
Parent group is vendors, okay?
Either vendor or either sending creditors.
Now,
sorry,
suppose if you want to,
other vendor.
or sundry creditors you can put.
Okay.
Suppose if you are having vendors grouped like south vendors, west vendors, north vendors and all, under south you will have Andhra vendors, under Andhra vendors you will have Hyderabad vendors. How much your parent group you are having, you can create that also if required.
Okay, sir.
Normally it is suggested that you put it under vendors only, okay? Vendors anyhow will come under sundry creditors.
Yeah.
So I will explain you one by one. Go to column A, click on column A, A4. Yeah. Here you don't put anything. System will take the code. If you identify any vendor by their code, you can put their code. Come to column B. Yeah. Column B will be the name of the vendor. Mrs. Popular company or whatever. Yeah. Rajesh Private Limited. Alias, you can leave it blank. Or if you want to know that person by any alias, you can put the alias. All this E and all, you can leave it blank. What is more important is column G. Column G, you have to mark it as Y. Just put Y. Yeah. Payment terms, by default, it will take 30 days. So you need not put anything. No, you need not put anything. It will automatically take, so leave it blank. Don't worry. All these things, you can leave it blank. Okay. Business area you select as general, GENKI.
Haji.
Okay. Then you can type the registration type if required. If you know the registration type, you can put the registration type, regular or SCZ or whatever it is. Yeah. And tax one will be the GST number.
Okay.
GSTIN, right?
Yes, sir.
And tax two, there is nothing today, no? No, sir, don't change. Don't change that. Do not change that. Do not change that. Yeah. Right, sir? Yeah. GSTIN. Yeah. Then leave this blank. There is no taxes as such. Come to the right. Now, the primary contact name, Mr. Ramesh. Address will be 1 Mahatma Gandhi Road. City will be Hyderabad, Secunderabad. Pin code number will be whatever is the number.
District.
State will be Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, however you would call it as. Country, you can put it as India, but even if you leave it blank also, it is no problem because we are configured as per the Indian taxation.
Okay,
So
sir.
mobile number you can put 981234. Then email you can put ramesh@customer.com, vendor.com. Right. Website if you have, we can put bank number and all these things are not mandatory. You just can save this, okay. Fill all the customer details as per this Excel sheet.
Okay, okay.
Okay. By what time we can expect it to be ready, sir? By today evening? Hello? Am I
Yes, sir.
audible to you? By today evening, this will be ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Now close this Excel sheet.
By today evening, you are asking.
If this can be ready.
No, but by tomorrow, I will ask him to close it by tomorrow, and we will start simultaneously with the other person.
Yeah. So you can close this. You can close this Excel. Any doubt in this Excel sheet till now?
There is no doubt, sir.
Okay. Now similarly, you can go and open the customer master also. चलेगा ना रोहित भाई, मैं कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं सर आपकी.
Yeah, open the customer master. Account master you have opened. Okay, no problem. Account master, you want to do it today or you want to do customer and vendor today?
Well, this one.
This will be all your. What is the current software you are using, sir?
Please tell
Just
me
close.
this one also. I will ask other person to.
Yeah. What is the current software you are using?
It is Tally.
Focus.
Tally and
Can you?
or is Focus.
Yeah. Can you
Both are
open
there.
Tally? Can you open Tally?
It's not there in my system. I will ask tomorrow. I will ask that person to
Okay.
connect this.
Then we can directly import it from Tally, sir. Don't worry, because that will be a huge list. And say for example,
Yeah, tomorrow I
you have
will
created.
ask him to join this.
Yeah. Now, for example, you have created one ledger called T expenses. Okay. So somebody might have called it as T expenses. Somebody might have called it as chai expenses, right? So it is, we want to know what exactly is the ledger that you have created. So we can export it from Excel and import it. So for now, you can close this window as well. This Excel sheet also, you can close it for now. We'll take care of it tomorrow.
Okay.
If whenever somebody is available with Tally, just ask them to get in touch with me. I'll help them out. I mean, me and Rohit can help you out. You can close this window, sir. Excel sheet. Yeah. Now open the customer window sheet. Down, middle one. Yeah. Similarly, like you did in vendor, you can put some code here. 2001. Name of the customer. Ganesh Enterprises. Okay. Parent group will be customers, right? Then maintain bill by bill should be yes. Why? Because why we are making it as why is, I want to know bill by bill, how much he has, I have billed it to him and how,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the references. So payment terms by default, it will take 30 days. Don't worry. Just go scroll down to the right side. Right. Business area should be GEN. M column. Yeah, GEN, right? Scroll down to the right. region, territory, if you have, you can put. If you not, this has to be first there in the masters. So for now, you can leave it blank. GST registration type, you can write exempted. Regular, okay. And tax 1, GSTIN. Yeah. Come to the right side. Right. GST 2 में पैन लिखेंगे क्या रोहित भाई?
हाँ जी सर.
ठीक है. Right. Contact name will be Mr. Ram. Address will be Nehru Road. City will be Secunderabad. Pin code number will be whatever it is. Should be of 6 digits. Okay. Now, state here is mandatory. You have to put the state as Telangana or Andhra or whatever it is. It is mandatory. Because of the state only, system will know whether it has to take CGST, SGST or IGST. Yeah. So country will be by default India, even if you don't put, no problem. Phone number, mobile number 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can fill it up. And email ID, you can put it up. Yeah. Now just save this. This is how the customer master will look like. You get these 2 sheets filled. Okay, sir?
Okay.
And we should also help in terms of inventory item master, ताकि वो भी ready हो जाए.
Yes sir.
Yeah. So you can close this, sir. Save it and close it.
Yeah.
Now you can open the, first of all, you open the item. No, you close this, sir. You close this. Open the item group master. Item group master is there?
No, it's not there.
Okay. Yeah, go to zip ERP, sir. रोहित आपके पास कंट्रोल है तो सेटिंग्स में चले जाए. डाउनलोड कर लो मास्टर. Now I will show you, sir, just for your information, I will show you. Okay. Sir. Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
I'll just show it to you. See how it looks like. You first type here in 4th row, you type as grandfather. 4th row, you type as grandfather. Primary group will be, parent group will be primary group. Now 5th row, you write it as father. Father under grandfather. Yeah. Now son under father. Under father. Daughter under father. Now grandson under son. You understood the hierarchy, how it comes?
Yeah.
So this sheet, if you remember, then it will help you. First of all, any sub-parent group will be normally the primary group. Under this primary group, I can have as many parent groups as possible. Okay. So this sheet, if you remember, this will help you for the long term. Like this, you can put all the groups first. First, this needs to be created. Right, sir?
Right, can please share, save it, this one.
Yeah, please save this.
I think it is under the download folder. Sir.
Sorry, sir.
It is downloaded into download folder.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
you
no
can.
issue. And see, running time is only 4 minutes is there. I will.
No, we
continue
will
this.
finish it off, sir. We will finish it off. Just close this. Now, go to the data, that is the sheet that was sent to you, item master.
Sir, can you open that item master folder item file?
Excel sheet. Excel sheet. Only 4 minutes are remaining. भाई तो जितना है उतना इनको करके लेने को बोल दीजिए.
Ashok sir, can you open that folder? Because I'm not able to open this.
Which folder, sir? Hello.
The item master folder. That master folder.
Give me permission. I will open it.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Items folder you want?
Yeah, I got it. I got it, sir. No.
Here in the F column, you see, no, F column. F column, you have to put the last thing, whether it is son or father or grandfather. Okay. Yeah, the last one should come here. Right, sir? Rest name you can put like whatever name of the item. Name of the item, yeah. And unit of measurement, D column. KGS it should be, yeah. Costing method will be by default FIFO, FIFO, K, yeah, K column, FIFO. Then come back, purchase P, just type purchase, just type P, it will come automatically. P, yeah, enter. Yes, enter. Yeah, go to right. These are all non-mandatory. If you want to allow negative balance and all, we don't want to normally allow negative balance. Come to the rightmost side, sir. If you have the HSN code, you can put the HSN code here. And sales tax name one will be CGST.
Okay.
Percentage, you should put the percentage without the symbol of percentage. Just put 6. That's okay. Yeah. SGST 6. IGST 12. All these 6 things you copy it, sir. Copy this thing, yeah, and put it under the purchase also. Go to the right side, it will come. Purchase name 1, yeah. BA, yeah, paste it, sir. BA, go to BA and paste. Right. Come to the right side, sir. Right. MRP, if you know the MRP, you can put, right? Now you can save this folder, sir. Like this, you can put for all the items. Okay, sir?
Okay.
By the time we meet tomorrow, keep this all these Excel sheets ready. And it will take us hardly 10 minutes to get you live.
Sir, the stores and all the things, it is very difficult to close it in one day.
I understand. I understand it. But this particular thing, whenever it is ready, you let us know. Okay.
Okay.
And if during any time, if you are held up,
sir, I will check with Rohit sir and I will get it done. If any doubts is there, I will call you.
Any doubt, anytime you can call us. Am I right, sir, okay. Rohitji?
Yes. No problem, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So that, yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, sir.